Hello everyone, I'm Daniel, and today we're doing another Luminar tutorial. Now if you're a photographer that's on the go and looking for a way to edit your images without being tied down to a desktop, or you can't always break out your laptop, then Luminar Mobile definitely has the right tools for you. Now upon opening the app, we're taken right to our camera roll, and the image that we're going to edit today is from a running photo shoot I recently did with my buddy Jason in a nearby park. Before I get into any of the develop settings, I'm going to crop this image first to make sure that we're working with the composition that we're going for. So I'm going to bring my subject to the center of the frame, and then I'm just going to crop in a little tighter to remove any sort of distractions on the outside of our image. That looks pretty good. Once we finalize our composition, the very first tool that it opens up to is our Enhance AI slider. I'm going to max this all the way out because I think this does a fantastic job, very subtly bringing out the contrast, the depth, and the sharpness of our image. The very next tool is the Develop tool. Now this is where we really control the overall look of our shot. I'm going to bring down the exposure just a little bit. I'm going to bring down those whites, and I'm going to bring down the shadows quite a bit to go for that darker fall-autumn kind of vibe. After that is our contrast, which I will boost just a little bit. I think this does a really good job subtly boosting contrast in the midtones. And as for color, we can really dial in our fall-autumn kind of darker, cooler look here by bringing down the temperature slider a little bit to introduce some blues into our image. And I'm going to bring back some magentas in the tints just to preserve some of those skin tones. Now, while we're talking about skin tones, I personally like to go over to the landscape tool, and I'll always bring up the golden hour slider, and that helps reintroduce a lot of those rich skin tones, no matter how cool our image gets. After that, I'm going to jump back over to the Structure AI tool. I'm going to slide this down a little bit just to make that extra crunchy effect for the intensity and grit of this athletic photo shoot. Now, I personally think that no image is complete without a vignette, and luckily Luminar Mobile makes this super easy by giving me either an option to slide it to the right for a whiter vignette or to the left for a blacker vignette. Now, if we're going for that extra bit of polish, my favorite tool inside of the app is this film emulation library that we have. You can scan through all your favorite stock emulations and tap through them to see, which one fits the best style for the mood that you're going for. I've decided that this Copenhagen film emulation is best for what we're going for right now, and I'm going to bring up the intensity all the way to about 85. You can also save all of your favorites to appear at the beginning of the list just so you can quickly navigate to all of your favorite stocks. Now, at any point, if you hold down on the image in the app, we get a before and after of any edits that we've applied to the shot. And you can see here how far we've come in just a handful of easy-to-use tools inside of the Luminar Mobile app. Once my edits are finalized, I can press the three dots here and click Save as Preset. Now this will allow me to copy my edits from this photo to any other photo I took in the same day, allowing my entire photo shoot to have complete consistency. And that just about wraps it up for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and comment on this video. And if you want to try it out for yourself, you can find the Luminar Mobile app on the App Store and Google Play Store.